Welcome to Muttavara Dual Institute of Technology. This is the free virtual learning center for everybody. Become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, innovator in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way. Learn free at any place, learn free at any time, learn free at any pace. Good luck, learners. Have a good day. This program is brought to you by Matavara Dual Institute of Technology. This is the free virtual learning center for everybody. Learn almost everything free and become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, innovator through Zoom virtual meetings, irrespective of geographical location, with or without the need for constant internet connectivity. Register your name for free webinars. How to register your name for free webinars? It is very easy. Just save the mobile number in your mobile, then send the name by WhatsApp text message, and also send your name by email to x99@yahoo.com. Please spread this message to all your contacts so that somebody in some corner of the world will get some benefit out of this free, unique, and amazing opportunity. This is an Atmanirbhar Bharata initiative. Go green, save trees. Good luck, viewers. Have a good day. Thanks to Corona for having made this possible. Efforts will be made to present the information correctly, clearly, and completely in this presentation. However, every keystroke is itself an important source of error, and therefore the end users are required to make use of the information provided here at their own risk, fully knowing their own personal limitations, if any. The study material supplied by the learners is exclusively used wherever possible in the presentations so that the learners will be able to learn from the same study material which they have. However, additional explanations, classroom examples, and exercises will be included as and when required to make the subject more simpler and easier to learn. The video recording of all sessions will be made available to all participants to enable them to go through the same as many times as required in individual cases to become an expert in the topic covered in the sessions through the link to YouTube, which is also beneficial to all those who could not join the online session for any reason whatsoever. MDAIT is the free virtual learning center for everybody in both letter and spirit. Kindly excuse, we need donations not in the form of money but in the form of honest opinions, meaningful suggestions, and constructive criticisms to improve the quality and clarity of presentation of the information made during this session so that they are addressed to the best extent possible during all our future sessions and future programs in the best interest of learners. एषः पाठः मम सर्वेषां छात्राणां कृते समर्पितः अस्ति ये मां कथं पाठयितुं शिक्षयन्ति स्म. Approximate meaning of this by taking individual words is Yeshaha means this, Pataha means lesson, Mama means my, Sarvesham means all, Chatranam means students, Krute means for, Samarpitaha dedicated. Asti is ye, they, mam, me, katam, how, pataitum, teach, shikshayanti, taught, smaha, we, were, etc. Approximate translation to English is this lesson is dedicated to all my students who taught me how to teach. Yat karoshi tat vadato, yat vadasi tat kuru, yat kartum ichatam, tat कृतम् इति अभिलेखे दर्शयतु. Approximate translation in Kannada is ನೀವು ಏನನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೀರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನು ದಾಖಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ. In English, it approximately means do what you want to do and show in the record that you have done it. In Hindi, it looks like approximately तुम जो करना चाहते हो वह करो और रिकॉर्ड में दिखाओ कि तुमने वह कर लिया है. So please do alert us to any errors discovered in this presentation so that they are addressed appropriately in the best interest of learners in all our future activities. Kindly send the feedback, including but not limited to honest opinions, meaningful suggestions, and constructive criticisms via email addressed to x9t9@yahoo.com. With best wishes from Mattavara Dual Institute of Technology, the free virtual learning center for everybody. With this background information, let us start learning something new in the today's session. Just enjoy the today's session as much as we do in providing this free, unique, and amazing virtual learning opportunity to everybody. Samskrita or Sanskrit for everybody. So here we will use the three monkeys principle, that is see no evil, which is this monkey is doing. It is closing its eyes by using its own hand. This is hear no evil. It is keeping one finger inside so that it is not able to listen anything that are not good to listen. Speak no evil. So this is trying to close its mouth using its own hands so that it will avoid speaking anything that is not good. Sarvesham krute Samskritam means approximately Sanskrit for everybody, means ellarigu Samskrita. Samskrita Sarvatra means everywhere Samskrita is there. Samskrita, Sanskrit is everywhere. Ellellu Samskrita. Punaha Smaranam or Smaranam Punaha both mean one and the same thing in Samskrita. That means the order or sequence of words that we use in a sentence when the sentence has two or more words is not affecting the meaning, because we will interpret in our own way. So Punaha Smaranam or Smaranam Punaha mean one and the same thing. That means approximately remembering again whatever we have learned so far. Now, just as a revision, let us go through the words which we have learned in earlier classes. So kindly read these words 5 times each. You can read this. Start anyone. How many are there, please?
Two are there, sir. Me and Nagaman.
Very good, very good. Okay. You can read five times each.
Okay. Balaha, balau, balaha. Balaha, balau, balaha. Balaha, balau, balaha. Balaha, balau, balaha. Balaha, balau, balaha.
Very good. So, Nagamani also can read. Hello. Maybe illa anta kanisute. So we can continue. So Balaha, Balau, Balaha, Balaha, Balau, Balaha, Balaha, Balau, Balaha, Balaha, Balau, Balaha, Balaha, Balau, Balaha. So these words we have already learned in previous classes. It is for revision because the reading, whichever is at least written in the big letters, Always we will encourage children to do that. While going on the bus or any vehicle also, if there are boards on the sides of the road, big letters, we will ask them to read. In newspaper, whatever the big letters are there, we ask them to read. If you go to a movie, in the beginning, there will be a lot of information about who created this movie, who are the participants, who are the helpers, who helped this, music who was given, things like that. So big names will be there. We will always insist students to read that big letters, whatever the titles have been coming there, and we have done that also. So it is for recognizing reading ability and also how to read also. So that will really help so that we will remember all the words whatever we learn, so that it will not be requiring any book or any reference things to go through. Everything will be in the mind. Anything is in the mind stored, it cannot be erased. Because if you try to make a little effort to forget what you have learned or read, you will remember more and more. You will not be able to forget. So that is important difference between the computer memory and the human memory. Computer memory we can delete at our wish, but human memory cannot be erased. So you can read this also 5 times.
Lata, late, lataha. Lata, late, lataha. Lata, late, lataha. Lata, late, lataha. Lata, late, lataha.
Very good. So if the other student is not coming, we can continue. Maybe she is attending some other thing after logging in. Does not matter. So lata, late, lataha. 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 Like that we can read anything that is written in the big letters wherever we get opportunity to see that. Next is Kamalam, Kamale, Kamalani. 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 You can read this 5 times.
Kamalam, kamale, kamalani. Kamalam, kamale, kamalani. Kamalam, kamale, kamalani. Kamalam, kamale, kamalani. Kamalam, kamale, kamalani.
Yeah, very good. Naraha, Narao, Naraha. 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 You can repeat it 5 times.
Naraha, narau, naraha. Naraha, narau, naraha. Naraha, narau, naraha. Naraha, narau, naraha. Naraha, narau, naraha.
Very good. Pushpam, Pushpam, Pushpe, Pushpane. Pushpam, Pushpam, Pushpe, Pushpane. Pushpam, Pushpam, Pushpe, Pushpane. Pushpam, Pushpam, Pushpe, Pushpane. Pushpam, Pushpam, Pushpe, Pushpe, Pushyane. Pushpam, Pushpam, Pushpe, Pushpane. So you can read this 5 times.
Pushpam, Pushpam, Pushpe, Pushpani. Pushpam, Pushpam, Pushpe, Pushpani. Pushpam, Pushpam, Pushpe, Pushpani. Pushpam, Pushpam, Pushpe, Pushpani. Pushpam, Pushpam, Pushpe, Pushpani.
So here actually if the spacing between the one line of message and another line is not sufficiently kept, you see whatever is written in the previous line may become like part of the next line, so it may confuse in reading also. So therefore when writing on paper, we have to give sufficient gap between one line of message that we write and another line of message that is written. So that is why it is written here like this.
Here
Now,
both Pushpam are correct, sir.
yeah, both are correct. We will see where we will use which form like that. That is only to satisfy the grammatical requirement. Otherwise, reading, whether we write in the first way like this or second way like this, for reading purpose, we read as same thing only. There is no difference. Meaning
Okay.
also same thing only. Meaning also same thing. So, pushpam means something like flower. This pushpam is also flower. So, to satisfy the grammatical requirements, sometimes we write like this, sometimes we write like this. Whatever we write, meaning will be same and pronunciation also will be same. We will learn where to use this type of a pushpam, where we have to use this type of pushpam, particularly in the writing. That we will learn. But reading purpose, speaking purpose, when we say pushpam, it doesn't matter whether we are referring to this pushpam or this pushpam. Both are one and the same by sound also.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now, saha, sa, tat. 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 So, we can repeat it 5 times like this.
Sah, sa, tat. Sah, sa, tat. Sah, sa, tat. Sah, sa, tat. Sah, sa, tat.
Okay, very good. Tau, te, te. 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 We can repeat it 5 times.
Tau, te, te. Tau, te, te. Tau, te, te. Tau, te, te. Tau, te, te.
Very good. In Samskrita, to say very good, they will say Uttamam. They will also say Samichinam, like that. We can use those words also. So, really, it is good. So, Uttamam, Samichinam. Te, taha, tani. 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 We can repeat it 5 times.
Te, tah, tani. Te, tah, tani. Te, tah, tani. Te, tah, tani. Te, tah, tani.
उत्तमम् एषः एतौ एते एषः एतौ एते एषः एतौ एते एषः एतौ एते एषः एतौ एते. We can repeat it 5 times.
एषः एतौ एते एषः एतौ एते एषः एतौ एते एषः एतौ एते एषः एतौ एते.
Very good. एषा एते एताः एषा एते एताः एषा एते एताः एषा एते एताः एषा एते एताः. You can repeat this 5 times.
एषा एते एताः एषा एते एताः एषा एते एताः एषा एते एताः एषा एते एताः.
उत्तमम्. एतत् एते एतानि एतत् एते एतानि एतत् एते एतानि एतत् एते एतानि एतत् एते एतानि. You can repeat this 5 times.
एतत् एते एतानि एतत् एते एतानि एतत् एते एतानि एतत् एते एतानि एतत् एते एतानि.
Very good. सः तौ ते सः तौ ते सः तौ ते सः तौ ते सः तौ ते. So you can repeat this 5 times.
सः तौ ते सः तौ ते सः तौ ते सः तौ ते सः तौ ते.
Very good. सा ते ताः सा ते ताता ताः सा ते ताः सा ते साः ताः सा ते ताः सा ते ताः. You can repeat this 5 times.
सा ते ताः सा ते ताः सा ते ताः सा ते ताः सा ते ताः.
Very good. तत् ते तानि 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 तत् ते तानि. You can repeat it 5 times.
तत् ते तानि तत् ते तानि तत् ते तानि तत् ते तानि तत् ते तानि.
Very good. त्वं त्वं युवां युवां 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 त्वं त्वं युवां युवां. You can repeat it 5 times.
त्वं त्वं युवां युवां त्वं त्वं युवां युवां त्वं त्वं युवां युवां त्वं त्वं युवां युवां त्वं त्वं युवां युवां.
Very good. So here also you can see tvam is written either this way or we can write it this way. Meaning will be same thing. There is no difference. But some places we use this type of this form. Some places we will use this form. Similarly, yuvam yuvam can be written either this way or this way. So some places we write like this. Some places we write like this. Where we write that fashion, where you write this fashion, where you write this one, where you write this one, we will learn later. So meaning will be same, pronunciation also will be same. So when somebody is listening, he will not worry whether you are reading this particular poem or this particular poem, this yuvam or this yuvam, or meaning also he will not interpret differently. He will interpret in the same way only. We will learn about where to write this form, where to write this form, so to satisfy the grammatical requirements. UM, UM, I am, I am, I am, I am. UM, UM, 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 I am, I am. You can read this 5 times.
UM, UM, IM, IM, UM, UM, IM, IM, UM, UM, IM, IM, UM, UM, IM, IM, UM, UM, IM, IM.
Very good. So here also, when we say UM, writing, you may write, you able to write like this or write like this. Similarly, IM can be written this way or this way. So when we read, we will not have different pronunciation. UM, UM, IM, IM. So the listener will not worry whether you are reading this message or this message, this message or this message. Meaning also he will not take it differently. So writing purpose to satisfy the grammatical requirements. Some places we write this way, some places we write this way. So there will be no difference otherwise between the meaning and reading, pronunciation, etc. and reading the text. If it is like this, we read it as UM. If it is like this also, we read it as UM. So listener will not differentiate between which UM you are reading, which form it is being written on the paper, which somebody else is reading like that. Iyam idam tat. 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 You can read this 5 times.
Iyam, idam, tat. Iyam, idam, tat. Iyam, idam, tat. Iyam, idam, tat. Iyam, idam, tat.
Very good. Now we will go to the kaha, ka, kim, kim. 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 You can read this 5 times.
Kah, ka, kim, kim. Kah, ka, kim, kim. Kah, ka, kim, kim. Kah, ka, kim, kim. Kah, ka, kim, kim.
Very good. So here also, kim, when we write, it is possible we can write like this or we can write like this. So if it is written this way, we read it as kim. If it is written this way, we read it as kim. For grammatical requirements, some places we write like this, some places we write like this. Meaning will be same, pronunciation will be same, listener will understand the same thing, and reading, whoever is reading, the pronunciation also will be same. It means the same thing only. They will not different items. Aste, ase, asme. Aste, ase, asme. Aste, ase, atme. Asse, aste, ase, asme. Aste, ase, asme. You can read it 5 times.
Asti, asi, asmi. Asti, asi, asmi. Asti, asi, asmi. Asti, asi, asmi. Asti, asi, asmi.
Very good. Staha, staha, sante. 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 You can read this 5 times.
Stah, 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 santi. Stah, stah, santi. Stah, stah, santi. Stah, stah, santi. Stah, stah, santi.
Very good. So here actually people will insist that pronunciation of this staha and this staha is different, and this is, of course, there is no problem here. But here you see, in reading purpose or when speaking also, everybody will not be able to say or speak exactly in the way that the letters have been used. As I given some example, one day somebody was introducing his friend. Her name was Bhavani. So he was telling, if you call her Bhavani, she will not listen because it is Dodba. You have to call her as Bhavani like that. But do you think is it convenient to call Bhavani than Bhavani? It is not, is it
Bhavani,
not?
Bhavani.
Huh?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it convenient?
Bhavani, Bhavani.
Bhavani, you have to say force, with force, that Ba is the big Ba, like that. But normally everybody will call Bhavani only. When the name is written, BHA, they will write. Also, writing in Kannada, they will put that what is called vocals. They will put a line there. So, but reading purpose and calling purpose, they still use Bhavani only, not the Bhavani like that. Like that, many places we can see. So, depending on the sentence, if you say staha or staha, though there is not much difference we are making in pronunciation, the listener will understand which is being used. So, there is no necessity that unless you learn speaking this exactly as it is written, you cannot learn Samskrita. That fear we have to remove. So, read it as it is for practicing purpose only. I have prepared this type of a sequence of lesson so that whatever you read in your mind, you will know what you are referring. And so, depending on where you are writing, either you may write this type of staha or this type of staha when writing. Whereas reading, pronunciation, you may make difference, you may not make difference using this type of sta or this type of sta. Ase staha sa. Ase staha sta. 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 You can read it 5 times.
Asi, staha, stha. Asi, staha, stha. Asi, staha, stha. Asi, staha, stha. Asi, staha, stha.
Very good. Asme swaha smaha. 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 You can read it 5 times.
Asmi, swaha, smaha. Asmi, swaha, smaha. Asmi, swaha, smaha. Asmi, swaha, swama. Asmi, swaha, swama. Swamaha.
Sma, sma, smaha.
Sma.
Smaha.
Smaha.
Very good. Saha, kaha, tau, kau, taha, te, ke, sante. 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 Saha, kaha, tau, kau, staha, te, ke, sante. Saha, kaha, tau, kau, staha, te, ke, sante. You can read it 5 times.
Saha, कः तौ कौ तः ते के सन्ति तः कः तौ कौ स्तः 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 ते के सन्ति.
Very good. त्वः कः असि 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 युवां कौ स्तः 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 यूयं के 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 स्तः. You can read it 5 times.
त्वं कः असि 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 युवां कौ स्तः 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 यूयं के 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 स्तः.
So last one, there is no staha, it is sta only, this one.
Oh.
Yum ke sta. This is staha because of the dot.
Oh.
So you can read this 5 times.
Sta.
Yeah, yum
Okay,
ke sta.
Yum ke sta. Yum ke sta. Yum ke sta. Yum ke sta. Yum ke sta.
Very good.
Ke sta.
Yeah. So this purpose is to recognize the words, letters, etc. wherever it comes across, so that we don't have to fear that these words were not known to us. So by repeating for reading as well as writing, these words will become familiar to us. So when reading any passage, if these words appear somewhere, we will not be afraid of that these words are not known to us. That is the purpose here. Ayam, aham, manushya aste, aham, manushya. Ayam, aham, manushya asme, 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 aham, manushya. You can read it 5 times.
Ayam, aham, manushya asmi, aham, manushya. 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 Ayam, aham, manushya asmi, aham, manushya.
Very good. So here again, I am and I am can be written either this way or this way. When this line is put here, it means we will not read it as I am a, but it will be read as I am. So some place we write like this, some place we write like this. Where we write like this, where we write like this, we will learn later. Now, for reading purpose, whether it is written this way or it is written this way, we will pronounce reading same thing, only there is no difference. Meaning also will be same thing. So aham manusya asmi, aham manusya. So here, even if whether it is written like this or written like this, the meaning is one and the same. The presence or absence of this word asmi is not important. It gives the same meaning. So you can read this 5 times.
Same, sir. Aham,
Ah.
ayam, aham, manushya, asmi, aham, manushya. 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 Ayam, aham, manushya, asmi, aham, manushya.
Very good. Avam
Shall I read,
Manushyo.
sir?
Yeah. Okay. You can read this 5 times.
Ayam, aham, manushya, asmi, aham, manushya. Aham, ayam, aham, manushya, asmi, aham, manushya. Ayam, aham, manushya, asmi, aham, manushya. Sir, this should be manushya, no, sir? Aham, manushya.
No, just we are reading whatever is written.
Okay.
Somewhere some written matter is there. We are trying to read, that's all. We are not worrying about anything now.
Okay.
So you read 5 times? Okay.
Sir, I read 3 times, sir.
You can read it 2 more times. No problem.
Ayam, aham, manushya, asmi, aham, manushya. Ayam, aham, manushya, asmi, aham, manushya.
Very good. So we are trying to read whatever is the information is written in the using big letters. In this case, in Devanagari script. This we have done in childhood, particularly when going along the road. We read the big letters which are written in the advertisement boards. In cinema, in the beginning, they will write about details of who have acted, who have given song, who did the photography, etc. in big letters. We will try to read them like that. So here we are trying to read whatever is written. We are not attaching anything else. But something we are learning. So I am means can be written like this. It can also be written like this. Here, without this line, short line here, it will become I am a. But with this line, this one will be read half only. So it becomes like I am, like that. So it can be written this way. Some place we write like this, some place we write like this. So satisfy the grammatical requirements, that we will learn where to use this form, where to use this form. But if you are reading this or this, the listener will understand one and the same thing. He will not differentiate between this type of written information, this type of written information, when he is listening to someone reading it. Similarly, when somebody is speaking like that, he will not worry whether it is this form or this form, meaning will be same thing. Similarly, here, this particular thing, in particular, this asme, whether we use or we don't use, the meaning of this line and this line will be same. Aham manushya aste, aham manushya, both will give the same meaning. This is extra. If it is there, it is fine. If it is not there also, it is fine. Avam मनुष्यौ स्वः आवां मनुष्यौ स्वः वयं मनुष्याः स्मः वयं मनुष्याः स्मः. You can read this 5 times.
अवां मनुष्यौ स्वः 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 वयं मनुष्याः स्मः
मनुष्याः
वयं मनुष्याः
स्म-
स्मः वयं मनुष्याः स्मः वयं मनुष्याः स्मः वयं मनुष्याः स्मः वयं मनुष्याः स्मः.
Okay. So Nagamani also can read 5 times.
आवां मनुष्यौ स्वः आवां मनुष्यौ स्वः वयं मनुष्याः स्मः वयं मनुष्याः स्मः आवां मनुष्यौ स्वः आवां मनुष्यौ स्वः वयं मनुष्याः स्मः वयं मनुष्याः स्मः आवां मनुष्यौ स्वः आवां मनुष्यौ स्वः वयं मनुष्याः स्मः वयं मनुष्याः स्मः आवां मनुष्यौ स्वः आवां मनुष्यौ स्वः वयं मनुष्याः स्मः वयं मनुष्याः स्मः आवां मनुष्यौ स्वः आवां मनुष्यौ स्वः वयं मनुष्याः स्मः वयं मनुष्याः स्मः.
Very good. So Akshuta can also read it 5 times.
I read, sir, this one.
You already read, yeah? Okay.
First.
Okay. Then here you say this avam can be written like this or it can be written like this. Vayam can be written this way or this way. When reading, whatever the pronunciation we do for this and this is the same, meaning also will be same. Listener will also will not worry about whether you have used this type of writing or this type of writing. Reading, he will listen the same thing. This is also same thing like that. एषः कः अस्ति 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 एषः मनुष्यः 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 अस्ति मनुष्यः किं करोति 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 मनुष्यः गच्छति मनुष्यः गच्छति मनुष्यः गच्छति मनुष्यः गच्छति मनुष्यः गच्छति. You can read it 5 times.
एषः कः अस्ति 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 एषः मनुष्यः 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 किं करोति 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 मनुष्यः गच्छति मनुष्यः गच्छति मनुष्यः गच्छति मनुष्यः गच्छति मनुष्यः गच्छति.
Very good. So Nagamani also can read 5 times.
एषः कः अस्ति 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 एषः मनुष्यः 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 अस्ति मनुष्यः किं करोति मनुष्यः किं करोति मनुष्यः किं करोति मनुष्यः किं करोति मनुष्यः गच्छति मनुष्यः गच्छति मनुष्यः गच्छति मनुष्यः गच्छति मनुष्यः गच्छति
वेरी गुड एषः कः अस्ति 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 एषः मयूरः 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 अस्ति मयूरः किं करोति 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 मयूरः नृत्यति मयूरः नृत्यति मयूरः नृत्यति मयूरः नृत्यति मयूरः नृत्यति मयूरः नृत्यति You can read it 5 times.
एषः कः अस्ति 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 एषः मयूरः 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 अस्ति मयूरः किं करोति 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 मयूरः नर्तति मयूरः नृत्यति मयूरः नृत्यति मयूरः नृत्यति मयूरः नृत्यति मयूरः नृत्यति मयूरः नृत्यति
Very good. So Nagamani can also repeat it 5 times.
एषः कः अस्ति 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 एषः मयूरः 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 अस्ति मयूरः किं करोति 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 मयूरः नृत्यति मयूरः नृत्यति मयूरः नृत्यति मयूरः नृत्यति मयूरः नृत्यति
Very good. Now we say you have experience of listening to different style of reading or pronunciation. We say that is why it is necessary to practice so that whatever other person is telling, we are able to listen to the same message correctly, clearly, completely. That is what is important. एषः कः अस्ति 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 एषः अश्वः 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 अस्ति अश्वः किं करोति अश्वः किं करोति? अश्वः किं करोति? अश्वः किं करोति? अश्वः किं करोति? अश्वः धावति। अश्वः धावति। अश्वः धावति। अश्वः धावति। अश्वः धावति. So you can read 5 times.
एषः कः अस्ति? 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 एषः अश्वः अस्ति। 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 अश्वः किं करोति? 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 अश्वः धावति। अश्वः धावति। अश्वः धावति। अश्वः धावति। अश्वः धावति.
Very good. So you can also read the same thing 5 times.
एषः कः अस्ति? एषः अश्वः अस्ति। अश्वः किं करोति? अश्वः धावति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः अश्वः अस्ति। अश्वः किं करोति? अश्वः धावति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः अश्वः अस्ति। अश्वः किं करोति? अश्वः धावति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः अश्वः अस्ति। अश्वः किं करोति? अश्वः धावति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः अश्वः अस्ति। अश्वः किं करोति? अश्वः धावति.
Very good. Now, previously also we have read some of these things. So there we have not used this word. Asti is not used. So even whether we use or does not use, the meaning will be same. Yeshah kaha, yeshah ashvaha. So that is also give the same meaning. This is also give the same meaning. This is a extra word which if present it makes no difference. If it is not present also makes no difference. Meaning will be one and the same. एषः कः अस्ति? एषः कृषकः अस्ति। कृषकः किं करोति? कृषकः हलं कर्षति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः कृषकः अस्ति। कृषकः किं करोति? कृषकः हलं कर्षति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः कृषकः अस्ति। कृषकः किं करोति? कृषकः हलं कर्षति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः कृषकः अस्ति। कृषकः किं करोति? कृषकः हलं करोति कर्षति. So you can read it 5 times.
एषः कः अस्ति? एषः कृषकः अस्ति। कृषकः किं करोति? कृषकः हलं कर्षति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः कृषकः अस्ति। कृषकः किं करोति? कृषकः हलं कर्षति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः कृषकः अस्ति। कृषकः किं करोति? कृषकः हलं कर्षति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः कृषकः अस्ति। कृषकः किं करोति? कृषकः हलं कर्षति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः कृषकः अस्ति। कृषकः किं करोति? कृषकः हलं कर्षति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः कृषकः अस्ति। कृषकः किं करोति? कृषकः हलं कर्षति.
Very good. So other student also can read 5 times.
एषः कः अस्ति? एषः कृषकः अस्ति। कृषकः किं करोति? कृषकः हलं कर्षति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः कृषकः अस्ति। कृषकः किं करोति? कृषकः हलं कर्षति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः कृषकः अस्ति। कृषकः किं करोति? कृषकः हलं कर्षति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः कृषकः अस्ति। कृषकः किं करोति? कृषकः हलं कर्षति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः कृषकः अस्ति। कृषकः किं करोति? कृषकः हलं कर्षति।
Very good. So here we are just trying to read whatever is written on the book or whatever is written on a board or what is written on the screen here. We are not worried about anything else. So here also we can see this asti word is here and here. Suppose we remove also, it may not make any difference for the sentence. Yeshah kaha, yeshah krishakah, yeshah kaha, yeshah krishakah. That also gives the same meaning as yeshah kaha asti, yeshah krishakah asti. So we can know the difference between them. There is not much difference. We are trying to read. If it is written this much, we are reading that full. If it is written only this much, that much we are reading. Whatever is written on the board, we are reading right now. We are not doing anything else. एषः कः अस्ति? एषः बालः अस्ति। एषः बालः किं करोति? बालः पठति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः बालः अस्ति। एषः बालः किं करोति? बालः पठति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः बालः अस्ति। एषः बालः किं करोति? बालः पठति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः बालः अस्ति। एषः बालः किं करोति? बालः पठति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः बालः अस्ति। एषः बालः किं करोति? बालः पठति. You can read it 5 times.
एषः कः अस्ति? एषः बालः अस्ति। एषः बालः किं करोति? बालः पठति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः बालः अस्ति। एषः बालः किं करोति? बालः पठति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः बालः अस्ति। एषः बालः किं करोति? बालः पठति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः बालः अस्ति। एषः बालः किं करोति? बालः पठति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः बालः अस्ति। एषः बालः किं करोति? बालः पठति.
Very good. So Nagamani also can read the same thing 5 times.
एषः कः अस्ति? एषः बालः अस्ति। एषः बालः किं करोति? बालः पठति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः बालः अस्ति। एषः बालः किं करोति? बालः पठति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः बालः अस्ति। एषः बालः किं करोति? बालः पठति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः बालः अस्ति। एषः बालः किं करोति? बालः पठति। एषः कः अस्ति? एषः बालः अस्ति। एषः बालः बालः किं करोति बालः पठति
Very good. So here also you see, if you write only Eshaha Balaha or Eshaha Balaha Asti, they mean one and the same thing. So the presence or absence of this word will not make difference in meaning what we are written there. So here also it may not be necessary, but if it is written, whatever is there we will read. Eshaha Kaha, Eshaha Balaha. Balaha kim karote, Balaha patate. Like that also is there. It is also one and the same thing. There is no difference here. Iyam ka aste. Iyam eka balika aste. Iyam eka balika. Balika kim karote, Balika pushpam pashyate. Iyam ka aste. इयम् एका बालिका अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका बालिका किं करोति बालिका पुष्पं पश्यति इयं का अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका बालिका किं करोति बालिका पुष्पं पश्यति You can read it 5 times.
इयं का अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका बालिका किं करोति बालिका पुष्पं पश्यति इयं का अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका बालिका किं करोति बालिका पुष्पं पश्यति इयं का अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका बालिका किं करोति बालिका पुष्पं पश्यति इयं का अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका बालिका किं करोति बालिका पुष्पं पश्यति इयं का अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका बालिका किं करोति बालिका पुष्पं पश्यति
Very good. So Nagamani also can read the same thing 5 times.
इयं का अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका बालिका किं करोति बालिका पुष्पं पश्यति इयं का अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका बालिका किं करोति बालिका पुष्पं पश्यति इयम् एका अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका बालिका किं करोति बालिका पुष्पं पश्यति इयं का अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका बालिका किं करोति बालिका पुष्पं पश्यति इयं का अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका अस्ति इयम् एका बालिका बालिका किं करोति बालिका पुष्पं पश्यति
Very good. So here also, you see it is shown here whether we write only this much, Iyam Eka Balika or Iyam Eka Balika Aste, there is no difference. Meaning will be same thing only. This Asti may be used, may not be used. So that is what is shown in these examples. Ime ke staha, ime chatre staha, ime
Can I read, sir?
Yeah, you can read 5 times. Yeah.
इमे के स्तः, इमे छात्रे स्तः, इमे किं कुरुतः, इमे बालिके लिखतः। इमे के स्तः, इमे छात्रे स्तः, इमे किं कुरुतः, इमे बालिके लिखतः। इमे के स्तः, इमे छात्रे स्तः, इमे किं कुरुतः, इमे बालिके लिखतः। इमे के स्तः, इमे छात्रे स्तः, इमे किं कुरुतः, इमे बालिके लिखतः। इमे के स्तः, इमे छात्रे स्तः, इमे किं कुरुतः, इमे बालिके लिखतः.
Very good. So Nagamani also can read the same thing 5 times.
इमे के स्तः, इमे छात्रे स्तः, इमे किं कुरुतः, इमे बालिके लिखतः। इमे के स्तः, इमे छात्रे स्तः, इमे किं कुरुतः, इमे बालिके लिखतः। इमे के स्तः, इमे छात्रे स्तः, इमे किं कुरुतः, इमे बालिके लिखतः। इमे के स्तः, इमे छात्रे स्तः, इमे किं कुरुतः, इमे बालिके लिखतः। इमे के स्तः, इमे छात्रे स्तः, इमे किं कुरुतः, इमे बालिके लिखतः.
Very good. इमाः काः सन्ति, इमाः अध्यापिकाः सन्ति, इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति, इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति, इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति. You can read this 5 times.
इमाः का सन्ति, इमाः अध्यापिकाः सन्ति, इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति, इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति, इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति. इमाः का सन्ति, इमाः अध्यापिका सन्ति, इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति, इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति, इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति. इमाः का सन्ति, इमाः अध्यापिका सन्ति, इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति, इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति, इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति. इमाः का सन्ति, काः सन्ति, इमाः कः सन्ति, इमाः काः सन्ति, इमाः अध्यापिकाः सन्ति, इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति, इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति, इमाः पाठं पठयन्ति. इमाः काः पठयन्ति, इमाः
पाठयन्ति, not पठयन्ति.
पाठयन्ति, सर. इमाः काः सन्ति, इमाः अध्यापिकाः सन्ति, इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति, इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति, इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति. इमाः काः सन्ति, इमाः अध्यापिकाः सन्ति, इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति, इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति, इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति.
Very good. So Nagamani also can read it 5 times.
इमाः काः सन्ति, इमाः अध्यापिकाः सन्ति, इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति, इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति. इमाः काः सन्ति, इमाः अध्यापिकाः सन्ति, इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति? इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति। इमाः काः सन्ति? इमाः अध्यापिकाः सन्ति। इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति? इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति। इमाः काः सन्ति? इमाः अध्यापिकाः सन्ति। इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति? इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति। इमाः काः सन्ति? इमाः अध्यापिकाः सन्ति। इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति? इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति.
Okay, very good. So here it is I have written this twice because we are just reading whatever is written here. So, but many times you say what is written is not what is read. So you have assumed that this has come by mistake, so you are able to read this. That is okay. Good, no problem. So sometimes in the printing some items may appear repeatedly, twice or thrice. Whatever is written, we will not read many times. Whatever we read will be different from what is written there, but meaning may not be different. So it is interpretation, what we do, that is where it differs. That's good. इमे के स्तः इमाः अध्यापिकाः अस्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः अध्यापिका अस्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति. You can read it 5 times.
इमे के स्तः इमा अध्यापिकाः अस्ति. इमे के स्तः इमा पाठं पाठयन्ति. इमे के स्तः इमे अध्यापिकाः अस्ति. इमे के स्तः इमे पाठं पाठयन्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः अध्यापिकाः अस्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः अध्यापिकाः अस्ति. इमे के स्तः इमां पाठं पाठयन्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः अध्यापिकाः अस्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति.
Here this is not staha, it is staha only. It is staha only.
इमे के स्तः.
Correct. You can read it once.
इमे के स्तः इमाः अध्यापिकाः अस्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति.
Very good. So Nagamani also can read 5 times.
इमे के स्तः इमाः अध्यापिकाः अस्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः अध्यापिकाः अस्ति. सन्ति
ಏನಿದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಓದಿ whatever is here.
इमे के स्तः इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः अध्यापिकाः अस्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः अध्यापिकाः अस्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः अध्यापिकाः अस्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः अध्यापिकाः अस्ति. इमे के स्तः इमाः पाठं पाठयन्ति.
Very good. So we are trying to read whatever is written in the big letter. That is what we are interested in this class. So that's good. Imaha kim kurvanti. Imaha kim kurvanti. Ime balike likataha. Ime balike likataha. Iyam eka बालिका अस्ति. अस्याः नाम रमा अस्ति. अस्याः नाम रमा अस्ति. So you can read it 5 times.
इमा किं कुर्वन्ति. इमे बालिके लिखातः. इयम् एकः बालिका अस्ति. अस्याः नाम रमा अस्ति. इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति. इमे बालिके लिखातः. इयम् एकः बालिका अस्ति. अस्याः नाम रमा अस्ति. इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति. इमे बालिके लिखातः. इयम् एकः बालिका अस्ति. अस्याः नाम रमा अस्ति. इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति. इमे बालिके लिखातः. इयम् एक बालिका अस्ति. अस्याः नाम रमा अस्ति. इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति. इमे बालिके लिखातः. इयम् एकः बालिका अस्ति. अस्याः नाम रमा अस्ति.
Very good. So other students also can read the same thing 5 times.
इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति. इमे बालिके लिखातः. इयम् एक बालिका अस्ति. अस्याः नाम रमा अस्ति. इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति. इमे बालिके लिखातः. इयम् एक बालिका अस्ति. अस्याः नाम रमा अस्ति. इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति. इमे बालिके लिखातः. इयम् एक बालिका अस्ति. अस्याः नाम रमा अस्ति. इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति. इमे बालिके लिखातः. इयम् एक बालिका अस्ति. अस्याः नाम रमा अस्ति. इमाः किं कुर्वन्ति. इमे बालिके लिखातः. इयम् एक बालिका अस्ति. अस्याः नाम रमा अस्ति.
Very good. Now can you tell approximately what is the meaning of these 4 lines in Kannada or English?
ಇಮಾಹ ಕಿಂ ಕುರ್ವಂತಿ. ಇವರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಮೆ ಬಾಲಿಕೆ ಲಿಖಾತಃ. ಇವರಿಬ್ರು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು ಬರಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಯಂ ಏಕ ಬಾಲಿಕಾ ಅಸ್ತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅಸ್ಯಾಹ ನಾಮ ರಮಾ ಅಸ್ತಿ. ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರು ರಮಾ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Very good. See, that means we are able to understand the meaning, whether that is typing error is there or grammatical is right or wrong. It is not important. By looking at the some of the words, we can interpret the meaning ourselves. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
So now Akshata can tell the meaning of this one in English. This passage.
What are they doing? These 2 girls are writing. What is that girl? What is that girl? Who is that girl? that girl, what is that girl? No, who is that girl? That girl name is Rama.
See, approximately you are coming to that one. Exact meaning, now we are not worried. We'll see that in the next class. So,
Okay.
what you have to do is, now you have learnt whatever is written material is there, you are able to read. Is it not? And
Yes, sir.
certain differences, presence or absence of certain words, whether it makes any difference or not, and different type of writing the same thing, like Kim and Kim, like that, etc. we have learned. So now you are able to listen what the other person is reading, and also you are able to read whatever is written on the screen. Now that means you are speaking also. So what is pending is only writing. What you have to do is go through this. I will give you the video, send the video, go through it, write this in paper, preferably white unruled paper and using black ink if possible, so that and you can send the image to me. So I will go through and see whether any suggestions I can make like that, and then we'll be able to continue in the next class. Now, did you enjoy this class?
Yes, sir. We have enjoyed.
So I really enjoyed as much as you do, because we are providing this free, unique and amazing learning opportunity for everybody. So kindly spread the message among your contacts, so that if somebody is seriously interested, they can join us. Otherwise also does not matter, we can continue. So two students.
Today I have sent that yesterday last classes that paragraphs.
Yeah, I saw.
Both in Kannada and Hindi.
Yeah. So that is, you are coming to the study line. See, entering into the study line is not easy. But once we enter, we'll be able to read, write, speak, everything we can do. Listen, everything we can do. So to coming to study line, it is necessary to write always something. Without writing, it will not be complete. So therefore, you have to do that. I saw that good response is there. So it is really nice. So slowly you have to practice that one. That's why I was thinking whether you find the time in the day for writing purpose, or should we have class on alternate days, so that the other day using the same time you should be able to write it also. So if you want that way I can do, otherwise we can keep every day. You must find some more time, maybe another hour is required for you to go through the video and write down all the things that is displayed on the screen like that, so that reading, writing, speaking, listening, all will be completed. That is what is very, very important, so that you can become expert. Then you can also find out mistakes done by experts, because you will learn the way how it should be written, how it is not generally written, for the purpose of satisfying the rules of grammar, etc. like that, and interpretation of the meaning, all that you will be able to learn very easily. You are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll stop here today and continue. Today is Wednesday, no? Yeah. Tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the morning we can start. Actually here what happened, the computer, some virus problem. So this office, MS Office software, it could not work. It stopped working. Then I downloaded another software, that Libra or something like that is there. So then using that I am able to do this. So there was some about 10-15 minutes, 10 minutes I think delay was there. But luckily it went on. See, without that software it was difficult to run the class today. I do not know what happened. I will go and get it checked with our this computer people. My office, MS Office is not working. It has stopped working, and they say something this thing is Microsoft account is hacked or something, all that, something message came, and it is not working. Then I tried that Libera software. I downloaded it, and from that I was able to make this presentation. Without that it was not possible to have the class today at all. So sometime,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, these technical problems will come, but alternative solutions we can always find. So if we make effort, there will be plenty of other opportunities will be there to use different things. So that itself is also a good experience, because all this I had to prepare once again, because the what was prepared in the word, this it was not able to read, because there is some difference between this structure of the file in MS Office and the other people, like that. So we'll stop here. So I will send you the video also. Go through it again. Write down all the words clearly, correctly, completely, and take the image and send it to me, so that I will see how best it will be there. It would be like as if you are writing in the exam hall. So do not avoid making any mistakes, scratching and rewriting, etc. Because slowly, whatever we write, it should be correct, clear, and complete. We don't have to use erasing or this striking, etc. In fact, sometimes there was one person, it was the drawing class. So he asked me, do you have eraser? I said, I am perfect in my work, so I don't use eraser at all. That means I will not write unless I think it is right. Otherwise, I will not write. There is no writing and erasing. That I will not do like that. So it takes time. So before writing, if we think and write, then corrections will not be required. So practice only can make perfection. So first we learn how to read whatever that is presented as it is, and see the differences, presence, absence of some words, different style of writing the same words, things like that. Then we'll try to go and learn more and more in the coming classes. So we'll meet tomorrow at 10 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Okay.
please join in time. Otherwise, we will miss the time. So therefore, I will not miss unless there is some technical problem like this. So I will be joining in time only. So join well in time. We will meet tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So Punarmila Maha, there are 3 people.
3 we are. Narmilamaha.
मिलामः
Good.
धन्यवादाः महोदय.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. So this program is brought to you by Mattavara Dual Institute of Technology, the free virtual learning center for everybody. Become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, innovator in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way. Learn free at any time, learn free at any place, learn free at any pace. This is an Atmanirbhara Bharata initiative. Thanks to Corona for having made this possible. Good luck, learners. Have a good day.